Watch my mom slay my crochet.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing my daughter hair, guys. I'm gonna show you how I do the crochet braid hair, guys. I'm gonna be using Expression Twisted Up, Twisted Out Wavy Bomb Twist, guys. Yes, this is my first time using this kind because she always wear crochet because it helps her hair grow, and you know, it's the best protective style for her. Guys, the Expression Twisted Up, it comes in three parts, and each has 12 in each section, so each pack comes with 36, guys. I like it, and it's only $6.99, guys, at your local beauty store, or if you can find it online also. What you'll need a crochet needle, guys. There's different kind, but I like to use this. This is the right length and size for her. So as you can see, I already did the braids. I washed it and treated her hair and did the braids. I have the front coming backwards, and in the back I have the braids coming forward. I did this style because if she want to put it up in a ponytail, she can. So I'll be putting the braids, the crochets on each braid. So today I'll be using the Viva Natural Tea Tree Oil Treatment in her scalp, and then I'll go along put in the braids. Hold your head back. Hold your head back, baby. Guys, it's good to keep the scalp clean and oiled and healthy, guys. This helps the hair to grow while it's in the protective. Oops. Yeah, so just a little dip, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start by in the back. I put the needle through the loop, and then I close it. Push it through the braid, and then the tip of it, I make a hook it. Make sure you close it, guys. And I close it like this, and I pull it through. And I pull it through, and you see it will go through the loop of the hair itself. Then we'll push it through the loop. Close it, guys. Make sure you close the latch. And then you push it through the hair. Grab the end. Grab the end and make it through the loop. Close the latch and pull it through, guys. And it goes through the hair. And just use your hand, let it go. Like that, guys. Guys, there's other methods of doing crochet, guys. And this one, I'm not putting the hair too close, guys. I'm making leave a few inches apart in this style that I'm doing. I'll make another video showing the other methods of crochet, guys. But this method, you don't put them too close. But in this method, you don't put them too close in this method. You left like few sections apart, guys.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me playing, don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business. Count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just gotta text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix, this is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. 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 I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business. Count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just gotta text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix, this is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business. Count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix, this is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day, I'ma be me all day.
And this is it, the finishing look. Princess Amber is so happy with her new do. She's giving us a little twirl to show us her new do, guys. She's so happy with the outcome. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. Comment below and let us know if you love this video. Baby girl is so excited about her hairdo, guys. I'm so happy for her. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.